Hello friends, this is the reading for August 2017 for my Taurian friends, and I will be doing two set of readings, one for career and one for love, and these readings will be short and crisp readings. So now we'll see the cards. I had to pull out 10 cards, but two more cards sprang out for you Taurians. So we'll see. Now the thing is that you are feeling very, stuck right now, stuck in your workplace for whatever reasons that might be, and you feel that you now is the time that you should come out of this situation, and I suppose that August is the right time to move out of this. You are surrounded by so many challenges in your work life, and you feel that this is not the right place to be, and now is not the time to procrastinate your whatever goals you have set for yourself. Now is the time for action, because this inaction is not going to help you now you cannot just sit, and you cannot just you cannot feel that what should I do and what all should be there, because what I feel is that for your August, Claire cognizance is the message for the month, and this is the Archangel Uriel, and what he says is that you should pay attention to your thoughts and ideas which are coming to you, because these thoughts and ideas are what you manifested, what you have manifested since the recent months or recent years which have gone by, and whatever goals you have set, or wherever you think that you should be, this is the place where you think that you will be. This Six of Wands is the success card, and this is where you want to be, and I think that this is not the time to just sit down and relax. This is the correct time for action. So action will come from this Fool energy which is there, and whatever you have manifested, what are the goals which you think that you want to achieve in your life, this Fool energy is going to help you achieve that, and you will definitely start something new in the month of August in your career life. Any kind of step definitely you are going to take, and you have to be very open to new ideas, and you can take input from your friends and any mentors in your life who will give you the correct inputs, suggestions. You can be open to all the suggestions, and then you can finalize some solution, or you can make the plans how you are going to work towards your goals. And you have got that power this month to make the correct decisions. And sometimes what might happen is that you might get confused because of the over analysis you might do. So what I think is that you should ask for help, and you can be don't feel that I should not ask someone for help, what they will think. You should not, or they might feel that what kind of goals I have made, these are such very higher level goals. Don't think like that. You have to merge all the viewpoints so that you can create a better solution. And see, you have to analyze, but don't over analyze. That is the thing. And in the month of August, you Taurians have to definitely take some step to ensure the financial security which you want, which you aspire for. And if you are making any kind of investments, then you have to think before making those investments, and whatever decisions you are making, you have to review everything, and then only you have to make those decisions. But what I feel is that just planning won't help you this month. You have to definitely take that step. You have to put this put death to this, just sitting like that and just daydreaming. That thing is not required. You have to be in action for the month of August, so that you have taken that one step, the first, the primary, the important step. So you don't need to be afraid. That is the thing. Don't be afraid. Don't think that your goals are not achievable. Don't think like that. Everything is possible, and Taurians have that thing in them, that if they are committed towards anything, then they will definitely achieve that. So I think that thing you should keep in your mind. Have that confidence. Don't feel low about yourself. Don't feel that you don't have those qualities in you. It is not at all like that. You have got everything. You have got everything in you. You just need to take that step. That is really very important. And what I feel is that whatever you planned previously, now the angels are helping you, or you can say the universe is helping you. And it might happen that you are sitting somewhere and some idea might come up to you, or some kind of solution might come up to you. So do not be like that okay, this came just like that. No, you just write it down somewhere and try to take actions according to your ideas which are coming for you. Because I feel that the universe energy is in line with your energy for the month of August. So it is a very important month for you, because you are going to take that step which is required. So I think that it is a very important month for you all. So just you have to think, you have to like you don't need to over analyze. Be confident, and you can take help from others. And others means people you trust. Only you can share your goals with them, and they will only give you the correct inputs. So I think I will wind up your reading, and please subscribe to my channel and comment below that how the reading was. Thank you so much. Stay tuned.